is our story.
And it's called The Legend of the Stormy Fighting Sons.
Mr. Golden Sun.
Mr. Snowy Sun.
How is a snowy sun even possible?
Brother.
Brother.
We are brothers.
Brothers.
Wanna be the only one.
Wanna be protector son.
Won't stop fighting till we're done, 'cause we are brothers.
Brothers.
We're gonna fight.
I'm the only protector son.
And the fighting's just begun. I'm gonna knock your lights out.
I'm gonna turn your blue skies gray.
Boys! I'm their mother. And I'm protector son. I can't choose only one to protect new generations. You boys are grounded.
What?
Go straight to your clouds. This behavior's not allowed. You boys should not be proud.
What? This is no fair.
This is no fun at all.
You boys can come back out once you learn how to work together.
I miss my brother.
I miss my best friend.
I am emotional.
And I am depressed.
We should have worked together to protect new generations of sons. Oh. And now we're not together and neither of us have won. Oh.
Oh no! It's raining and thunderstorming! Oh wait! Look up! The clouds are parting and the suns are coming out!
We are brothers.
Brothers.
We're both protector sons. There can be more than one. And now we fight just for fun. And we still cry.
Still cry.
The world needs rain. It's healthy to cry when we're in pain. It helps keep us sane. And we are brothers. The end. We are the Story Wranglers.